guys, I am back, and now I am going to collect the early bird in 9 minutes. Y'all guys wanna wait? Wanna wait 8 minutes and 53 seconds. I just paused the video for y'all. Anyway, let me just buy a little combo. See y'all guys when the early bird starts. Shut up! Early bird is about to start in 45 seconds. Y'all see the server right now? Yeah. Come back.
That's what you always say. Yeah. Family Savvy. My name is Sash. Sash_1319.
What?
Okay.
They're like,
Okay.
why do I see a collect
farm.
button? I see a collect button. That's
Let's go
220 cash.
Let's go collect.
Early bird!
I told you.
Let's go, Sammy!
Let's go,
Samuel! Let's go, Samuel! Come on, Spurnus.
Lucky block.
Ooh, a secret.
Lucky block.
Spawn us more.
You always spawn this garbage.
Congrats if you got a cursed one.
Frick you! Hey, you won.
See y'all in 1 hour. Spawn some inventing. He's done. Alright guys. That was the early bird for Steel Bring Up. Bye.